Hi, I'm Dareallesley and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're working on close work crawl, okay? And this is how it looks like. So, close work crawl. What is close work crawl? So basically, close work crawl is tap footwork done close to the ground and close together, all right? So there's no springs or jumps or steps that are too far from each other, all right? So it's all close together. Very intricate steps that you can play around with, all right? So first off, we're gonna start off with rolling through our foot, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this may remind you of a cramp roll, but a cramp roll has a spring, but it has the same format: ball, ball, heel, heel. All right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna reverse it and go left, right, right. Okay, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Again, 7, 8. We go. Good. Now, once you get comfortable with that, we're going to move on to the next part, which is when we step our crawl outwards. Okay, so first we're going to drill this for 3 more times, and then we're going to start that one. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 7, 8. We got reverse. Again, reverse, again, reverse, good, yes? When that starts to feel comfortable, you know that you're in the right place to move on to this next section. So keep practicing that if you need to, and scroll back in the video if you need to also, all right? So one last time, 6, 7, 8, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good. So now we're going to move on to the side, all right? So we're going to go ball, ball, in, then we're going to use our heel beat, in, good. 7, 8, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Make sure you keep your knees bent, weight slightly forwards, okay? So you have space to lift up your balls of the feet and your heels of the feet, all right? 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Good. So now we're going to add that with that first section. Ready? 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 4, 8. Good. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Out. Out. Good. The more comfortable you feel, try to use your arms, let it naturally swing, and start to dance it, okay? Because remember, we are dancing first, okay? We don't want to look stiff, so relax your body and keep your arms moving, all right? One more time. 6, 7, 8. We got out, out. Nice. Ready? One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, out, out, good. Now, you can have your feet slightly apart, all right? So you don't have to have it tightly in just like this. Make sure there's a little gap just to give room for the steps to come back in, all right? Now, we're gonna start working on the crawl, okay? Because this is close work, crawl. So crawl is basically very similar to how a baby would crawl on the floor, except for it applies to the footwork. So it crawls and moves across the floor very fluently, all right? So we're gonna go a close work crawl starting with our heel. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's try the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, 6, 7, 8. We got, good. Now we're gonna do a crawl with both our feet, okay? 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, nice, 1, 2, 3, 4, good, yes? So remember to make sure you pivot on your feet, on those heels here, so you have room to use those balls to square up. Same thing, heel, square up, stretch, bend to go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Good. One more time. 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Great. So let's do a single crawl into a double crawl. Ready? 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Good. Yes, well done. So that's the last little section we're going to learn today. So let's recap it from the beginning, okay? But we're going to move nice and slow. Ready? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, front, out, back, single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Square and stamp, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Square and stamp. Both feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Amazing. And again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out, single. 1, 2, 3, 4, again, double, and good, amazing. Now let's try it a little bit faster with some music to finish off. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. We've got 1. Good. Well done, guys. That was great. Okay. Hopefully you feel a bit more comfortable now. Let me know in the comments how you did and what parts you found hard. I will try to answer any and all of your questions, but bear with me, but I will try, okay? So we're gonna do it one last time to finish off, and then make sure you tune into this video that will be coming up shortly on the screen, all right? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got. Hey. Good, both, and good. Well done, guys. And that is the end of today's video, which is on close foot crawl, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you tune in to the next video, which should be popping up somewhere on the screen. And for now, stay tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.